Darcii. 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 Take a while. You come in. Come on. Come on, down you come. Come on. It's okay. Down you come. Good girl. He's a good girl. Favourite thing in the world, getting the... God, I gotta stay away. I need a haircut so bad. Yeah, she makes this funny like whimpering sound when she gets her head scratched, does she? Good girl, hey? You can hear it. It's so nice, is it? Hey? Here we go, ready? Anyway, I hope everyone's all right. Sorry we haven't God, my hair. Sorry we haven't put too much on. It's been really busy with work, to be honest, and lots going on. Are you all right there, Nosy? Hey, what? Love you. Just make that funny sound again. Silly little thing. So anyway, I hope everyone's all right, and yeah, we're trying to do a bit more content, and yeah, just yeah, do some more videos of our crazy life with this crazy cat. Anyway, I hope you're all well. Hope you and your cats, your dogs, whatever pets you got are well, and thank you always for your yeah, for subscribing and for those comments and everything else. It generally does all get read, and I for one used to hate it when you put things down and people never, you know, on forums or whether it's on YouTube or whatever it's on, and people don't ever get back to you. So I always make it an aim to make sure to get back to as many people as I can. Other than that, I'm waffling on. Say goodnight, Das. You got one more? She's not going to do it now. That's okay, Das. Don't worry. She's never done you. Good night or good morning, wherever you are in the world. I hope you have a fabulous day, or if you're just going to bed, I hope you have a great sleep. Either way, I'm waffling. Have a lovely day or evening. Take care and catch up with you later on. Cheers. Bye.